Rear-end collisions are among the most common types of accidents on the road. Whether you're navigating through traffic or driving in adverse conditions, a simple mistake can lead to severe consequences. At OSHA Education School, we've created the Avoiding Rear-End Collisions for Light Vehicles course to teach you the techniques that can keep you and others safe. In this course, you'll learn about maintaining safe following distances, understanding your reaction time, and knowing how to stop effectively when traffic suddenly slows down. We'll also cover how bad weather and distractions can impact your ability to react in time. Key concepts. A 3-second rule is your best friend when it comes to maintaining safe following distance. You'll learn why keeping more space gives you more time to react when unexpected stops occur. Did you know that even with the best brakes, stopping distances can vary based on weather and road conditions? We'll teach you how to adapt your driving in these conditions to avoid rear-end collisions. In this section, we'll explore how to avoid distractions while driving. Staying focused on the road is crucial for your safety and the safety of others. Distractions like texting, talking on the phone, or even eating can severely impair your reaction time. This course will help you understand the importance of staying focused behind the wheel, no matter what the situation. In this section, we'll dive into the various benefits of completing this course and the certification you'll receive upon completion. By completing this course, you'll improve your defensive driving skills, reduce the risk of rear-end collisions, and enhance your ability to stay calm under pressure. Plus, you'll meet OSHA safety standards for safe vehicle operation. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate of completion, proving your expertise in rear-end collision prevention. Whether you're an employee or a fleet manager, this certification shows your commitment to driving safely and responsibly. Don't wait for an accident to happen. Click the link in the description to enroll now and start learning how to prevent rear-end collisions.